Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix group messaging on your settings or your messenger app. All you have to do, you just click here on settings, then it's going to take you to next window here, and you just go down, then you click here on apps, and it's going to take you to apps window. And all you have to do, you just go down here to looking for messenger app in this window, then you just click here on messenger, and it's going to take you to next window, and you just click here on for stop, then you click here on OK, and you go down, you click here on storage, then it's going to take you to storage window. You just click here on clear cache, and you click here on clear data, and you just go to turn off your phone and turn on it, and it's going to work with you. So that's all you have to do to fix that problem you have on your messenger app. Just follow these ways, and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video.